Welcome. In front of me is a Apple Pencil Pro, and I'll go over unboxing. I'll go to just a quick look at the device itself. So anyway, I'll just get into it. Packaging wise, one thing that I want to point out that it's kind of hard to see. I actually have written Pro right here in this blue font, which is pretty neat. Anyway, popping it open, can get into the package itself. Have some paperwork here, and obviously the pen itself. So let's take that off. And in terms of weight and all that stuff, it actually feels pretty solid. Should have some heft to it. The pen itself, obviously just an improved version of the previous one with the pressure sensitivity and all that stuff, and that you already probably are used to if you had a previous pen. So yeah, not much change here, but I guess it's a pen, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So yeah, not much more to say about that. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.